I will question you, Tommy. Who is the owner of the West Philippine Sea?
Who is the owner of the West Philippines?
Yeah.
I would imagine the Philippines. The country, the Philippines. I would imagine.
The West Philippine Sea, the owner of the West Philippine Sea is the Philippines. Because
thank you for the hat. Yes, please.
Because
I see a harsh
you can say of the name. It's called West Philippine Sea.
Egad.
Ay, Tommy. You hear me?
Egad. Tommy.
Oy. The name is West Philippine Sea. So
what?
So it's said West Philippine Sea, the name. So the owner is the Philippines because
wait.
if it is not the owner, the Philippines, it should be named West China Sea.
Okay.
But it's called West Philippine Sea. And it's not named West China Sea. So why is it people China?
Angie, hold on.
Hold on mo
Tension
mapa.
between that they
Klaro
own
ang namataya sangan palanggani.
a landmass. A landmass.
If that will be true, there's a war in China and Philippines is China. You cannot contact me anymore. You will miss me. You will cry. I will hide in underground. No more signal. No more network connection.
No more crying. No crying for me. Kim, what's up, brother man? Hey, nice to see you on live. Appreciate that, bud.
No more signal in the
No crying
underground.
for you.
Yeah. I will not go out in the underground. I will save my life underground. Maybe there's really bomb and fighting war.
Were you talking underground?
What you will do? What you will do in the what you will do in times of war? You will hide underground.
Me, I'm not much of a hider, but here is some food for thought.
Asa man detang namataya? Sangka tas gira, mereka matay na to di oras.
Here is some food for thought.